Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. First we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Kids, now we're using the color of black. Now we're using black color pen. First we draw the alphabet of A. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we draw the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. A for apple, A for ant. And the next one is B. Kids, subscribe to our channel. B for ball, B for bat. And the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. Now we draw the alphabet of E. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G. Kids, subscribe to our channel. G for God. Now we draw the alphabet of G, and the next one is H. H for hand. H for hand. Now we draw the alphabet of I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is J. And now we draw the alphabet of K. K for king, K for kite. The next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. Now we draw M. M for moon, M for mango. Kids, the next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. Subscribe to our channel. O for ox, O for orange. The next one is P. P for parrot. And the next one is Q. Q for queen. Now we draw R. R for rose, R for rice. The next one is S. S for sun, S for snake. Kids, now we draw the alphabet of T. T for tiger, T for teacher. And the next one is U. U for umbrella. The next one is V. V for van, V for vanilla. Now we draw the alphabet of W. The next one is X. X for Xmas tree. And the next one is Y. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Today we draw alphabets A to Z. So kids, now we draw 2D shapes. Now we use and draw the shape of circle. The shape of circle. Subscribe to our channel. Now we draw and coloring 2D shapes. The shape of circle. The next one is triangle. The shape of triangle. The next one is pentagon. Now we draw the shape of pentagon. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is star. Now we draw the shape of star. The next one is square. The shape of square. Kids, the next one is semicircle. Now we're coloring 2D shapes. So kids, first we're coloring the shape of circle, and now we're using and mixing green color. Subscribe to our channel. Now we're using and mixing green color, the color of green. Subscribe to our channel. Now we're coloring it to the shapes. Kids, the next one is triangle. Now we're coloring the shape of triangle. Now we're using the color of red. Now we're mixing red color. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The color of red. The shape of triangle. The next one is pentagon. Now we are using the color of yellow. So kids, now we are using the color of yellow. Now we're mixing yellow color. Subscribe to our channel. Now we're mixing and using the color of yellow. The next one is a star. Now we're coloring the shape of star. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we are using the color of blue. Now we're mixing and using blue color. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is the shape of square. Now we are using the color of black. Now we're mixing and using the color of black. Subscribe to our channel. the shape of square. The last one is semicircle. Now we are using again blue color. Subscribe to our channel. Today we draw and coloring 2D shapes. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.